These are our 2 pet goats, and whenever we're outside, they have free range of our property, which generally isn't a problem. They're very herd bound, so they like to stay where we are. Our main problem with them is we need to keep them out of certain areas, like flower beds, our garden, or even keep them from trying to enter the house. So we installed a invisible fence system, typically used for dogs. The way the system works is you bury a wire around a boundary you want to set, and then the animal wears a collar with a receiver. And if they approach that boundary, it'll give them a warning beep, followed by a vibration and or a static correction. In this footage, you might be able to make out the little white flags that you place after you set the wire, just to train the animals to where the boundary is. And then within a week or so, they get a sense of where the line is, and you can remove those flags. One tool that was helpful as we were researching the system we were going to get is using Google Earth to lay out the perimeter we wanted to set. This gave us a good idea of how much wire we were going to need to purchase. Here's some footage showing how we buried the wire in the grassy part of our property. This line disappears very quickly. Within a week of some walking on it and rain, you won't even see it anymore. And here you can see where we've got it jutting out and wrapping around our garden. Burying the wire in our driveway was a little bit trickier just because it was compacted gravel, so we used a hammer drill with a spade bit. In the wooded portion of our property, we did not even bury the wire. We just laid it on the ground just because there's so many rocks and roots and it's such a large area. And surprisingly, we've had it out there for a couple years now and it hasn't broken. I suspect eventually it will take some damage, but because it's so visible, it's very easy to identify where the damage is and fix it. If you want to learn more about the fence system that we used, it's made by SportDOG. I'll include a link in the description. It's pricier than some of the generic units you'll find on Amazon, but if you spend any time reading reviews on these systems, you'll see that they're often very fickle and unreliable, and we didn't want to invest the time in installing everything and only have it not work. So we decided to spend a little bit more money on the more reliable SportDOG system, and we've been very happy with it. We haven't had a single problem, so I highly recommend it. Don't go that way. Here you go. Fuck over. You out of breath?